So this is Euro Pound analysis for Tuesday, the 13th of March. Now let's just have a look at price and where prices may likely go. So previously we had prices head up towards this 89.70, from which we did see a pullback, retested the 39.45, posted. So we have a high, lower high. Again, posted another lower high in around an area where we did previously find resistance in around 89.14, from which we did see further sell side momentum take us down towards this 88.74. From which we did pull back. I did expect to test over the 200 period moving average. We didn't quite get there. Instead, we formed this somewhat minor consolidative range here. So it could be considered a bear flag of some kind. Minor consolidative range. We weren't able to push back up to test these highs here. And what we did see was a breakdown beneath this 88.74, this level of weekly support, from which we did break down towards a major level marked out here in red in around the 88.51. We traded through the 400 period moving average, no reaction at all really. And we head down towards this 88.51, from which we did see a positive reaction for prices to then head towards the 88.74. Now this move towards 88.74 has been a long process, as we can see. It's very small candles, indicating that there hasn't been much, there hasn't been quite a lot of strength from the bulls. So either they're possibly waiting for, either it has been a very even battle between the bulls and the bears, or they're possibly waiting for data of some kind, some fundamental news event. That's what I could possibly suggest. Or there isn't much conviction by the bulls, as there does seem to be some overhang in this market, which possibly suggests that there could potentially be further sell side momentum. And these candles aren't indicative of a very strong move upwards. So it was pretty slow and it took a very long time. So possibly looking for a move back down if we don't see larger candles indicating strength by the bulls coming into this market. So if we do break down from where we are at present, we'll see if we do form a double bottom in around the 88.51, from which we could see a move back up towards 88.74. If there is sufficient strength on the bullish side, we could see a move towards the 200 period moving average, currently sitting around at 89.10. So if we do find dynamic resistance at the 200 period moving average, a break from which we're looking for prices ultimately to head up towards 89.14, an area which proved problematic in 2018 so far, as resistance, and a break from there. We're looking for price up towards 89.45. We don't anticipate price moving much beyond 89.45 unless we do have a particularly volatile day. Now, if we do break down and we aren't able to find support at the 88.51, the very next level that we are looking at to the downside beyond the 88.51, we do have a weekly pivot here in around 88.20, but a break from which we're looking for price to ultimately head down towards this very major level of the 87.83 marked at here in red. Possibly being the far end of the range here, unless we do have a particular volatile day. 87.83, but if we were to break down from 87.83, we'll be looking for price to head down towards that 87.50. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the, bear with me a second here, that pretty much wraps up the Euro Pound analysis. Thanks for watching.